So let's start with the importance of statistics. So importance of statistics in various domains. So first is statistics in economics. So I believe statistics is only made for economics. No, it is made for many different fields, but it is very much made for economics. Time series analysis. It is used for studying the fluctuation in prices, production and consumption of commodities, saving bank deposits, money lending to industry. Second is index number. Index numbers are used for economic planning to indicate the change in a specified period of time in price of commodities, import and export, cost of living, etc. Demand analysis. One of the tool of statistics is demand analysis, that is used to study the relationship between the price of the commodity and the supply. The second domain is statistics in medical science. We need statistics for COVID vaccination. Doctor needs statistics for pulse rate, body temperature, blood pressure, blood sugar. Statistics in computers. What we know in today's language, it is called business analytics. Machine learning tools like SPSS, R, Stata, SAS, Microsoft Excel, it makes statistics very easily and readily available for business decision makers. Second is statistics in research, for data collection, for classification, for tabulation, for hypothesis building, for applying tests like Z-test, T-test, ANOVA, chi-square test. We need statistics in each and every field, of research. Now comes statistics as business. This is what we are going to study in our few next classes also, that what is business statistics. So business statistics is the process of analyzing, categorizing, interpreting and compiling data by business professionals to make inferences from the data sets regarding product, market and consumers to help organization predict data and make informed decisions. So in business, if we talk about marketing, so before a product is launched into the market, a pilot survey make use of various techniques of statistics to analyze data on population, purchasing power, habits of the consumers, competitive pricing, through which studies reveal the possible market potential for the product. For production, if we talk about production that comes in business, the statistical quality control techniques are used for improvement in the quality of the existing products and setting quality standards of the new products. For finance, to protect and decide probable dividends in coming years, statistical tools are used to analyze data on assets and liabilities, income and expenditure and investment decisions. For HR statistical studies, it helps in wage rate, incentive plans, cost of living, employment trends, performance appraisal. Need for training and development helps human resource manager in manpower planning. So in the end, what is the limitations of statistics? Every subject, every domain, every area has its own pros and cons. So we should aware of all the pros and as well as cons also. So limitations of statistics, if we talk about, first limitation of statistics is statistics does not study the qualitative phenomenon. Things like happiness, beauty, intelligence, poverty, courage, it cannot be quantified, so we cannot include it in statistics. Second is, it does not study individuals. This means that a single figure cannot be considered as statistics. For example, price of a commodity cannot be statistics, but price, production, sales, volume and profit over a period of time do constitute statistics. The next limitation is statistics can be easily misused. How? For example, the conclusion that 90% of people who smoke die before the age of 70 years, it is statistically invalid because no data is available on the percentage of people who do not smoke. Okay. So, the next limitation is inadequate sample. Inadequate sample, for example, in a city we may find that there are 1 lakh households, but when we conduct a survey on household, we may take a sample of just 100 people. Okay. So, this 100 people means it is just comprising of just 0.1%, and for such a sample mean it may not give the right information. Okay. So, the next limitation of statistics is unrepresentative sample. Sometimes we take sample which are not a true representative of the data or of the population. For example, we take the sample according to our own convenience, according to our own judgment. We take data of our friends, we take data of our relatives because that is more easily approachable. So, that is one of the limitation. The another limitation is the defective data. Sometimes we take a defective data. How? For example, in case of a data relating to unemployed person, the definition may include even those who are partially employed. Okay. So, there is a defect in collection the exact data due to misrepresentation of language sometimes. So, these are all the limitations of statistics. So, here we end our lecture and we will be having some more classes, we will be having some more discussions on business statistics.